Hello guys, good morning. Dito kami guys sa ano to? Katigbian, no? Katigbian Town. Guys. Yun ang market nila guys. Katigbian Public Market yan. So, kain kami guys. Kain kami dito. Guys, kain kayo.
No, do not. No, don't do that.
Dine-in or take out?
No, dine in.
Dine-in? Yes.
Pili na. Tinula ko lang.
When I get back.
Unsa na nga tinula?
I don't do city, don't we?
Day, unsa na siya nga isda?
Baboy na
It's
siya,
got a
sir.
dish here.
Baboy?
No.
Gani day.
Rice? Yeah.
Mwa.
Possible? You get rice as well?
Dinuguan?
You do, no?
Dinuguan.
Kilawin?
Ha?
Kilawin baka.
Oh, kilawin. Balbakuwa? Balbakuwa guys. Oh.
Wait, ito.
Sa inyo ha?
Gani, gani.
Here day. Oh.
Vlogger day?
Hey guys, kain muna kami guys. Bye. Please share and follow.